At Cardiff University, our MSc in Finance with Financial Technology combines the best of both worlds, traditional finance and cutting-edge innovations of FinTech. You'll develop expertise in investment management, corporate finance, big data, coding, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. These are the core areas driving today's tech-driven financial landscape. And it's not just theory. In our state-of-the-art trading room, one of the largest in the UK, you'll gain practical skills in trading simulations that mirror real-life stock exchange environments. And through a FinTech-focused dissertation, you'll tackle real-world challenges, building the skills that top employers demand. You can tailor your experience with optional modules and the chance to earn a Bloomberg certification, boosting your employment prospects even further. Join our network of top-tier professionals and researchers at Cardiff Business School. We are an internationally accredited institution known for academic excellence. Cardiff Business School is part of Cardiff University, a member of the prestigious Russell Group. You will study in our postgraduate teaching centre, a modern hub for our vibrant postgraduate community. All this while living in Cardiff, the dynamic capital of Wales. Cardiff is a diverse and welcoming city that's a fantastic place to study, live and explore. And it is less than 2 hours from London, at a fraction of the cost for living for students. By combining theory with hands-on experience, we're passionate about preparing you for a successful career. Whether you see yourself in investment management, trading, consultancy, traditional finance roles, or at the forefront of FinTech, our program gives you the expertise and connections to thrive in your future. Finance drives the success of businesses across the globe. Join us, and together we'll contribute meaningfully to our society and economy.